project my voice. Okay, project my voice. My nose is stuffy. I'll try to project my voice. Baby